You can literally play Pokemon Go at home from now on. But guys, you can also see teleportation is working.
Greetings YouTube, in today's video I will show you how we can get the Pokemon Go Spoofer on both iOS and Android devices. With the Pokemon Go Spoofer, guys, you will be teleported, you will have new additions, just like the joystick on the left side. You saw a lot of it. So without further ado, let me guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied and how we can get the Pokemon Go Spoofer.
So guys, I will now first show you what the Pokemon Go Spoofer can do for your Pokemon Go mobile game. You can literally play Pokemon Go at home from now on. But guys, you can also see teleportation is working. The joystick is working as well. So now let me jump straight into the action and show you how we can get this Pokemon Go Spoofer. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. So only Wi-Fi and mobile data. VPN is not a good thing to have for this process. So now guys, you will go and open up your browser and go to gospoofer.com. On gospoofer.com, you can see just a glimpse of the sub that we will be getting for it, and we will start this soul injection on that button. Then select our platform, just tap on the button, wait for it to load up, and you will be redirected to select all of the new additions. You can see all of the stuff that you can get, of course. So now the protocol is doing its thing, it's being built up, so just make sure to complete it that way, just like that. Okay, so we'll finish this process and then proceed to the final step of this whole process, of this whole step, of course. So now guys, you will have two options to go with it. The first option will be to complete two apps by downloading them from the official App Store, Google Play Store. Not only download them, but also, for example, for Zap VPN, you will need to install plus open it up. So some other app will have something like install plus register. Make sure to read it carefully. Make sure to complete it that way and you will have your Pokemon Go Spoofer. Or you can go ahead and go with the second step, which is a faster alternative, where you will just need to make sure to answer some simple questionnaires, answer 2 questionnaires in total, and that is how you complete this process and receive your Pokemon Go Spoofer. Thank you so much for watching, people. I really hope that this was a very useful one. If you have further questions, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.